What's up guys? Thank you so much Mr. Jim and Love for becoming a member. So today I'm gonna show you a house that's quite affordable and big as well, and the location is really good. It's only 3 minutes to the biggest local market in Siem Reap and 8 minutes to the pub street. So let's go. So this house is quite quiet and the location is really good as well. And yeah, it's really good. So I just drove a little bit and I saw like the sign is like a house for rent, and I just come in and then I asked the lady, and yes, so just good one, that's it. Anyway, so this is the parking area, and the lady has only like one lady and one old woman, and they are really kind, and it's kind of like a local house area. So this is the house that I'm going to show you. It have upstairs as well, but she rent only downstairs at the moment. So this house is huge, like big, and the price is crazy, seriously. So this is the living room area. It has 2 tables and 2 chairs. But this table, if you don't want it, you can remove it. But if you want to keep them, it's fine as well. And this is a huge living room, as you can see. It has a smart TV. TV stander, a comfortable sofa, and a small bed here. Like this is a single bed. It's for like if someone wants to stay there, but if you don't want, you can remove as well. And it also has a fan here. So this house is quite clean. I haven't seen any cockroaches at all. It's quite good, not bad at all. And this is the kitchen area. So the kitchen area, it has a gas stove, a few cupboards, a fridge, yes, and a sink. So it has lots of furniture as well, plus a fridge, plus a washing machine, and this is the bedroom. And the bedroom, it has an aircon, a window, a double bed, and a mirror, a lamp, and a wardrobe as well. Yep, it has a fan as well if you don't want to use aircon as much. But I'm not gonna lie, this house is it's not hot as this day in Cambodia is quite hot, but this house is not hot. I think because outside there are many trees, so it's really good. So you don't have to use too much air conditioner. And this is the hot water, shower with hot water, a Western style toilet, a mirror, and a sink. So the bathroom is big enough for 2 people, and as you can see, it's quite big. It's like lots of spaces, quite spacious. And this is the backyard area. This is the backyard area. You can open that door, and this is the backyard area. This is the backyard area, sorry. It has a washing machine. And this washing machine, it's like share with everyone. If you want to wash your clothes here, you can. But if you don't want to wash your clothes here, it's up to you. You can go to the laundry service. It's up to you. And this is the backyard area. You can put some stuff in here if you want to. But if you don't want to, it's up to you. Really, it's up to you. But I haven't asked her, does she include the Wi-Fi or not really? So I'm gonna ask her now. It's like you can see, it's quite spacious. Ming Ming! And this is her house. She lives here. So the small one she lives in, and the big one she rent. I'm gonna ask her what does include Wi-Fi. Ming! Ming Wi-Fi eh? Oh, Wi-Fi to con anh à? Okay, so she doesn't have Wi-Fi, but you can connect the Wi-Fi by yourself, or you can tell someone to connect the router for you, anything you want. Yeah, so the Wi-Fi is not included, but this is a huge house. You can see it. So this house is $200 per month. So it's good, $200 per month only. And you can have like a big living room here and a bedroom there, and a shower with hot water as well. And this is her house here, and there are many trees here and parking here, and she will give you the proper gate, the key for you. You can in and out anytime you want. So yeah, that's good. And for electricity, it's 25 cents per unit, and water it's only $5, not a person. She told me it's like if you guys are 2 person, a couple, only $5 per water. So it's really good. But if you are 1 person, it's $5. But if you 2 people, it's still $5. It's up to you. Anyway, guys, that's all for this video. They look at me. Anyway, guys, that's all for this video, and I hope you guys like it. For me, I like it because it's like a house. It's on the ground floor and easy to go in and out, and only $200 per month. It's really good. And the only one thing is no Wi-Fi. That's all. But you can tell them to connect Wi-Fi for you if you want. Oh, Minh à, anh con tra màn khai, xong số tiền. Con tra màn khai. I asked her about the contract. Con tra màn khai mình. 3 she's funny. Okay, I asked her about the contract, how many months. She said 6 months, and then I asked her, can it 3 months, is it okay? She said, yeah, 3 months is okay. And then 3 months. So basically it can be contract for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, is up to you. Anyway, guys, that's all for this video, and I hope you guys like it. It's really nice neighborhoods. The lady is really kind and she's really funny, and probably she's gonna make you laugh every single day. And I hope you guys like it, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.